So what does battery-powered equipment and solar-powered equipment mean for you? Well, I mean, the first and most important advantage is it's a lot quieter. I'm not sure if you can hear it right now, but there's a guy about 6 houses down, another landscaping company, running a backpack gas-powered blower, and you can hear it from here. Our battery-powered equipment, our weed whackers, string trimmers, hedge clippers, and even our mowers are so much quieter, so that if you have a home office, or if you have kids that take naps during the day, or even if you have a commercial office and there's people working, it's a lot quieter for you when we're working outside of your home. Second is it's clean and green. We're producing zero emissions out of our equipment. Everything is recycling. We're using the sun to charge solar panels, which recharges our batteries in the trucks, and then powering our equipment.